Hey guys, this is Abhishek Siravindra from Gadget Nations. In this video, I am going to talk about the 4 top browsers for Windows Phone 8.1. And the first browser is Internet Explorer. This is Internet Explorer version 11 for Windows Phone 8.1, which is comes starkly while updating our phone to Windows Phone 8.1. Or if you buy a Windows Phone 8.1, it will be there in phone itself, and we can easily manage tabs from pressing on the tab button, and tabs will be open in multi windows instead of a single window. And this browser doesn't have extra features like third party browsers, and we have options called favorites, add to favorites, find on page, share page, pin to start, recent, and settings. We can easily pin our favorite website to start screen to easily access them, and we have settings to manage our browser's preferred settings. So this is about Windows Internet Explorer 11, and then we talk about UC browser. A UC browser is very best browser, and I use it mostly to manage all my Facebook and online shopping and some news like Pocket Now, Phone Arena, and GSM Arena. And we have some more tabs, top sites listed here, and can and other suggestions from here. We can tap in on these links to easily get to other websites, and it records the downloads, bookmarks, UDs, and themes. We can easily manage any kind of themes as per our requirements. We have bookmarks, history, and night mode, which is very useful during night and when we switch off lights and using phones. And we can easily find downloads and exit full screen and exit speed mode. Speed mode is nothing but it loads our web pages very fastly by saving a large amount of data, which is very useful, I believe. And we can find text only, incognito browsing, mobile network settings, and other settings here. And in settings we have many kind of settings, and we can easily change the font as per our requirements while browsing internet. So this is how about user browser. And Surfy free. Surfy is very, it has some kind of low audience as compared to other browsers, and it has also some useful features just like hub is named as settings, and we have somewhat called listen to page.
Google Web Images sign in times of view Google in mobile classic privacy and terms settings feedback help advertising business about.
So it is a very nice feature which will help us to know about what the web page about, and it also tells which website it is on and what are the users of that website. And we have reading mode, desktop mode, private browsing, and we have pin page to start just like Internet Explorer, while other browsers doesn't offer this feature. And we have also night dimmer for night mode, and this is these features I said about free version. If we tap on the upgrade to full version, it redirect to store and ask to confirm purchase, and the final version will be of rich features which is loading now. I will talk about this. So as per of my decisions, Surfy has features which are combined with uh, so it doesn't it costs 55 rupees as per of Indian price, just like 99 cents if you talk about US price. And it also has somewhat called a launch page, which has some favorites, downloads, and home screen. And we have some pages which I use mostly, and some HTML online playable, playable games are also listed here. We can download that games to our browser, and we can use them. And here we can also manage multiple tabs. By tapping on the close button will automatically close the tab. And here we have somewhat full screen. uh, when we take if we find useful content in the browser, we mostly tend to take screenshots, and we have full screen mode to eliminate the blue border at the top and bottom of the device, and we can easily take screenshots and can easily share with our friends by avoiding the blue corners at the top and the bottom of the page. So the full screen mode is very useful as of my use. And Opera Mini is only for beta testers, and we have to be registered with the Opera Mini. And we have some suggested links like Tata Docomo News, Finance, Travel, Entertainment, and etc. And we have some news, Wikipedia, and some other website, and quicker advertisements are also here. And it is mainly by Tata Docomo sponsored. So we have Tata Docomo dive in easily, and suggested link, and Tata Docomo stands first here. And Speeddial will allow you to have some web pages, and it's my Facebook. I use Facebook here at lot, and pages my manage my Facebook page here. And if I talk about history, we have clear, and we have bookmarks, history, start speed, save pages, download, settings, find on page, share, help. In the help option, we have somewhat called as data savings, and the total day and the data usage graph of my particular usage as for 1 week is original size is of 95.5 MB, and received size is 39.5 MB, and almost it said about 50 MB it said. So it is very best way of tracking our data savings while we browse the internet. So these are the top four browsers for Windows 8.1, and I suggest Surfy and UC browser as best browsers because Opera Mini was best, and I liked it very much. But when I updated it to latest version on 20th of this month, 20th October 2014, it had ability to upload photos in Facebook and Twitter vanished. So I left the Opera Mini, but and say all three browsers are also good, and I completely explained the features of the all four browsers. It's like if you and tell which browser do suits you for your personal use and regular use, and do post in comments which is best browser according to you. And I feel UC browser is best browser for browsing and easily managing the links, and Internet Explorer and Surfy will easily add shortcut tiles to manage all your websites at one tab, which I kept my YouTube account easily accessible to with start screen with a live tab pinned. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see my forthcoming videos. I will be doing videos on phones and all about apps, games, and their reviews and feedbacks about many gadgets that are coming in this world. Thanks for watching this video, guys. This is Abhishek C. Ravindra.